Read me the numbers for number 1.
88, 75, 95, 80, and 62.
First, I'm going to do this first. Okay, now as I do this, tell me, somebody raise your hand and tell me why I'm doing this when I do this, okay? Watch. Okay, why don't you come on this side?
Okay.
No, I don't.
Is that the median?
And I want you to think about this. Here's a highway. This cars are going this way, and I'll draw a little car. And they're going this way, cars. Now the wall or divider between two highways, this is called the median. Does anybody, and you heard your parents talk about that when you're driving?
No.
The median. The median's the giant concrete thing between highways, so
yeah.
people do not run head onto each other.
Yeah.
Raise your hand if you've seen a median. Okay, they're shaped kind of like. I need a whiteboard marker.
I got one.
Okay, they look a little bit like this. It's concrete. It goes up like this on the side.
Yeah.
They go like this, and they're linked together in a long chain. It's just like a little wall.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so then if somebody is going this way at 65 miles per hour and this person's going 65 miles per hour in their cars, these are there to protect us. In case we wipe out and boom, hit the wall, we don't hit two cars hitting at the same time at 130 miles per hour. Okay. Sometimes it's not a concrete wall. Sometimes it's just like a little bit of grass between it.
They'll slow us down.
Yeah, and usually it's a grass and it's usually a dip. So that if someone crashes, they go down into the ditch. Nod your heads if you understand that. So a median means something in the middle. There's that concrete wall, the thing in the middle. The thing in the middle. Median. Middle. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a trick. When you're taking a test, there's two things that are the easiest to find. Median is the second easiest. The really, really easy thing to find is the mode.
I thought the maximum and the minimum were really easy to find too.
The mode's the easiest to find. What is the mode? Do you remember what it is? That's the range. And when I think of range, I think of Cowboys.
I know.
JC?
Whenever something.
Yes, that's the easiest to find.
What is
Okay?
the maximum and the minimum? Is all you have to do?
That's
is-
called the range.
I mean, like to find the biggest number of the minimum.
Yeah,
I
there's
always thought
maximum.
those were
and
one
minimum.
and next.
So, but finding the median. Mean takes the most time. And I always think of mean as the mean face, right?
Yes.
And then I always imagine a report card here with like an F on it.
Plus.
Okay?
F
So
plus.
No, you could do Z.
it has to do with grades. So here we go. We're going to add these up. 88, 75,
Ambient noises.
95, 80, 62. Now, can I tell you, this part people always get right. They add them up. That's easy, right? Okay. That's 13, 18, 20, right? 10, 17, 26, 34, 40. Is that 400?
Wow. Whoa.
Did anybody else get 400 when they did that?
Oh, I didn't add it yet.
Okay. So that's the part everyone gets. Here's the part that people miss. What do I do? What do I do next?
Divided by
How many people remember what to do next? How many people sometimes have a little trouble with this?
Yeah.
Okay. It happens every year, and that's fine. Okay. Thank you for being honest, too. What should I do next, Eric?
You could divide 400 by 5
Okay, but why 5?
because there's 5 numbers.
Like if you took, this is a grade, you got an 88, right? And this is a grade, this is a grade, this is a grade, this is a grade. So all these grades are papers together. You got, this will be your average. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So somebody could probably do that in their head. What's 400 divided by 5? It's,
Easy.
do you think you know it, Ashley? What is it? Okay, but when you do 400 divided by 5, you just do 40 divided by 5 in your head, and then add a 0. So what's that going to be? Okay. Hayden?
80.
So, yeah, that is it. Yeah, 80. So when you divide that by 5, you'll get 80. Now, and that makes sense. When you look at this, if you got these spelling test scores over 5 weeks, doesn't 80 make sense? I got a B plus, I got a C, I got an A, I got a C plus,
It's also the
I got a
number.
D minus. So if you look at those scores, that does make sense. And that's what you should always think of. Think of a score that makes sense first.
The mean and the median are the same thing in this case.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They're both
Oh,
80.
that's excellent. Okay, so there we go. Median is 80, and so is the mean.
Wait, 80.
Okay, that was it. Okay, cut.